Hi everyone, in today's tutorial I want to show you how to split a workbook to multiple separate files such as text, PDF, CSV, XLSX with Kutools for Excel. Activate the workbook that you want to split into multiple text files. Click the Kutools Plus tab. In the Workbooks and Sheets group, click the Workbook drop-down list and select the Split Workbook. In the Split Workbook dialog box, check the worksheets that you want to split. Check Specify Save Format and choose the file format that you want to save. Then click the Split button. In the following prompt box, specify a folder to output the separate files and click the Select Folder button. And your selected worksheets will be split and saved to your desired folder with the format you need. As you can see, all the sheets are split into separate text files. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.